Hello, elementary algebra students. This is a brief 5-minute video on how to enter homework answers into CourseCompass. So everybody should be at their home page for elementary algebra, so you should be here. Every day you should be going to the homework button, so let's click on the homework button over here. Notice that the homework window opens in a new browser window, so do not be alarmed if it doesn't show up right away. Look for it either up in a tab or down below. Notice this little navigation tool inside your homework page. You can click to show all to reveal upcoming quizzes as well, and you can access those. Notice how many attempts that you have. So let's go back to our homework assignment. I'm going to click to a random homework assignment, and let's start putting in answers. This assignment looks like it is late, or no, it might not be late, but it is. If you've ever done problems before, which it looks like I have, you can click to improve your score, or if you've already gotten 100 and you don't want to change your score, you might want to only practice and review. But here, certainly with a 20.8, we want to always improve your score. So we're going to click through. I'm going to click on question 1. If you ever want to print a homework assignment, click through to a homework question just like what we have done here. You can click over on the buttons on this side. Click on print. If you'd like to print all of the questions in the homework assignment, you can click to print homework assignment, and it will print out in 1 to 2 pages, which is really nice. Otherwise, if you only want to print one problem, say to go over it with your instructor, P, go ahead and click just print one. Alright, so let's start answering some of these questions so that you have some idea on how you should be entering in your responses. Okay, simplify the expression by combining any like terms. Negative 8b plus 5b, they are like terms. Negative 8b plus 5b is negative 8 plus 5b, which is negative 3b. So we can go ahead and use a negative symbol from our keypad, or a dash, and type in negative 3 and just our regular letters and click check answer. Once you get an affirmative response, you know that you've gotten the question right, and you will see that your assignment score has gone up. You can click save, and notice when I click save, it should go back to the immediate window, but this might be a little inefficient. What you can do is go from circle to circle, and you'll see these circles come up in a second. I can go from problem to problem and see which ones they like and skip around and complete my problems if I can't. And in order to maximize my score, I can skip around in case I have problems with certain ones. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. Combine like terms if possible. If not possible, rewrite the expression as is. Negative 2w minus 4w is minus 6w, so I hit dash 6w. And then plus 6 is not a like term, so I can use the plus on my keypad, right on my laptop or on your computer, and hit plus 6, hit check answer. Nice work. Go on to the next. Let's see if we can get to ones that have any fractions and stuff. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. Combine like terms if possible. If not possible, rewrite the expression as is. So here we have 6x squared plus 13x squared. This is going to be 19x squared. And notice now I have to do an x squared, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on this button. And it will create and I can click into that square and it will create my exponent for me. Now I'm going to click my arrow button on my keyboard, and it will take me down and outside of the exponent so I can continue. Now my next selection for like terms, I'm going to look at y squared terms, and I see that negative 18y squared minus y squared is minus 19y squared. And I'm going to hit that keypad button again to get my exponent. I'm going to hit the right arrow to get out of the exponent, and I'm going to move on. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. Now I'm going to check my answer. Fantastic. What if I get something wrong? What if I don't know what this question is? Use integers or decimals for any numbers in the expression. What